Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode with me, Emily, and my good friend, Josh. Today, we're talking about something that can transform your English, your confidence, and honestly, your entire life. The topic is simple but powerful. Believe in yourself.
Yes, hi listeners. I'm so happy to be here. This is one of those topics that everyone struggles with, no matter their level or background. And the truth is, believing in yourself is not automatic. It's something you build, something you practice, something you grow into.
Absolutely. And if you're listening, I want you to take one slow, deep breath right now. Inhale and exhale. Good. Now, I want you to quietly tell yourself, I can learn. I can speak. I can grow. Say it softly or even in your mind. Just let those words touch your heart.
Because sometimes the biggest problem is not grammar or vocabulary. The biggest problem is the voice inside your head telling you, you're not good enough. You can't do it. Your English is terrible. And that voice lies.
It does. Your mistakes, your accent, your speed, they don't define your intelligence. They don't define your value. They don't define your future. They only show that you're learning, and learning is something to celebrate.
I want to share a personal story. When I first started speaking another language, I was terrified. I was sweating, shaking, sometimes forgetting my own name. I avoided conversations because I felt embarrassed. But one day I realized something. People weren't judging me. They were happy I was trying, and that changed everything.
I relate to that so much. When I learned French, I had a horrible accent at first. I felt so insecure that sometimes I pretended I didn't hear people so I wouldn't have to respond. But every single time I pushed myself to try, I got a little better. And slowly, confidence started growing like a small plant, not overnight, but day by day.
Yes, confidence is built, not born. People who speak confidently today were once shy, scared, nervous, insecure, but they kept going.
And that's what we want for our listeners, to keep going. Even when you're tired, even when you make mistakes, even when your brain feels slow, keep showing up. Your future self will thank you.
You know what I wish more learners understood? English isn't a test. It's a tool. A tool for connection, opportunity, friendship, knowledge, travel, growth. When you think of English as a test to pass, you feel stressed. But when you think of it as a tool you're learning to use, everything feels easier.
Yes, and believing in yourself starts with changing your inner voice. Instead of thinking, I sound stupid, say, I'm improving. Instead of thinking, people will laugh at me, say, people want to understand me. Instead of thinking, I'm bad at English, say, I am learning English. The words you speak to yourself matter.
Oh, they matter so much. I once worked with a student who spoke beautifully, but had zero confidence. He always said, I'm not good, I'm not good. And I told him, if you keep saying that, your brain will believe it. Start telling yourself you're getting better, even if you don't believe it yet. After a few weeks, his whole attitude changed.
That's so powerful. Listeners, please remember, your brain listens to your words. If you speak kindly to yourself, your confidence grows. If you criticize yourself constantly, your confidence shrinks.
And confidence grows faster through action. Practice speaking, even to yourself. Talk to your mirror, your phone, your dog, your ceiling, anything. It doesn't matter. The goal is to make English a normal part of your life.
Exactly. I talk to myself all the time. Emily, don't forget your keys. Emily, finish your tea. Emily, send that email. Talking to yourself is not crazy. It's smart. It trains your brain. It builds comfort. And comfort becomes confidence.
And don't forget something important. Everyone learns differently. Some people learn fast, some people learn slowly. Some people learn through listening, others through reading or speaking. There is no right speed. There is only your speed.
Yes, just like plants, everyone grows at different rates. Some trees grow fast, some slow. But imagine a tree looking at another tree saying, "Why am I not growing like you?" It wouldn't make sense. We humans do that all the time.
Exactly. Comparison is a thief. It steals your confidence. Compare yourself only to who you were yesterday, not to anyone else today.
And celebrate small wins. Every time you speak, even a little, celebrate it. Every new word you learn, celebrate it. Every time you understand a sentence, celebrate it. Success grows when you recognize it.
And when you fail, celebrate that too. Failure means you pushed yourself. It means you tried. It means you're moving forward. I always say, a mistake today is a success tomorrow.
I love that. And listeners, please remember, the people you admire, the confident English speakers, the fluent people, they all struggled at the beginning. They all doubted themselves. They all felt shy. They all made mistakes. You are on the same path. You're not behind. You're exactly where you need to be.
If you're listening right now, I want you to do something simple but powerful. Repeat after me. I believe in my ability to learn English. I am improving every day. I am stronger than my fear. I can speak. I will speak. I deserve to speak.
So good. And if you don't fully believe those words yet, it's okay. Say them anyway. Confidence grows from repetition.
And remember, believing in yourself doesn't mean being perfect. It means trusting that you will get better. It means not giving up on yourself.
Yes, and you don't have to be fearless to speak English. You just have to be brave for a few seconds. Brave enough to start the sentence. Brave enough to try. That's enough.
Let me ask you this, listeners. What if you stopped doubting yourself? What if you stopped saying, "I can't"? What if, just for today, you treated yourself with kindness, patience, and respect?
Imagine how fast you would grow. Imagine how free you would feel. Imagine how excited you would be to speak English. Self-belief opens doors inside your mind that you didn't even know existed.
Yes, and we believe in you. Truly, we believe you can learn English. We believe you can speak confidently. We believe in your future, your growth, your journey.
And if you ever feel discouraged, come back to this episode and listen again. Let our voices remind you of your strength. You are capable, you are growing, you are enough.
Absolutely. Keep going, friends. Don't stop. Don't doubt yourself. You're doing better than you think.
Thank you for spending time with us today. Keep believing in yourself. You have everything you need inside you. See you in the next episode.
Take care, everyone. And remember, we believe in you, always.